In the late 19th century, the world was abuzz with the echoes of gunshots and the clamor of industry. The age of imperialism had dawned upon Europe, and Africa, a vast and untamed continent, became the coveted prize. The stage was set as European powers, each vying for dominance, embarked on a race to claim territories, resources, and influence in Africa. This was not a game of chance, but a strategic dance, a dance of power and propaganda. The British, with their vast naval forces and powerful industrial might, began their conquest with the Cape Colony, a foothold established in 1806. They extended their reach across the mighty Zambezi River, securing lands rich in diamonds and gold. The French, not to be outdone, claimed what is now modern-day Senegal and Algeria, establishing a strong presence along the western coast. They stretched their territories eastward, absorbing present-day Chad, Cameroon, and the Central African Republic. The Germans, late to the game, seized the opportunity to claim territories in Tanganyika and Namibia, demonstrating their ambition and determination. The Belgians, with the infamous King Leopold II at the helm, established the Congo Free State, a vast territory rich in resources, but infamous for its brutal treatment of the native populations. The scramble for Africa was not just a race for territory and resources, it was a test of strength, a display of power, and a contest of wills. The European powers sought not only to claim Africa, but to shape it in their image, imposing their cultures, languages, and religions upon the diverse and rich indigenous societies. The consequences of this scramble were far-reaching and devastating. The native populations suffered under the yoke of colonial rule, their cultures suppressed, their lands seized, and their lives disrupted. The scramble for Africa marked the beginning of a new era, an era of colonization and imperialism that would last for centuries. Yet, amidst the darkness, there were glimmers of hope. The seeds of resistance were sown, and the spirit of African independence began to stir. The scramble for Africa was not the end, but the beginning of a long and tumultuous journey towards freedom and self-determination. Today, as we look back at this tumultuous period in history, we cannot help but marvel at the audacity and ambition of the European powers. But we must also remember the cost of their ambition, the lives lost, the cultures destroyed, and the wounds that have yet to heal. The scramble for Africa was more than just a race, it was a testament to the human spirit, a testament to our capacity for both destruction and creation.